Here's how to check my comments on your diagnostic. Click on the grades button here. Go down and find the assignment and notice it's been graded. And this right here is the rubric, which you can have a look at if you want. Full marks across the board, this one got. But then this is the important part. You need to click on the title of the assignment. Then click on View Feedback. Then click on this expander bar right here where it says Enter Full Screen. And now you can see all my comments. Well done. I see all 4 elements. And then you can kind of work your way. This is the paragraph that I provided in the announcement. And you can see the 4 elements: the introduction, the paraphrase, the great, well-developed personal connection, and the concluding sentence.